Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you that how to delete your YouTube page. First we will open YouTube. Then we will click on right upper corner on the logo and will come down side to settings. Here on left side you can see account notifications and last there is advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Down you can see delete channel. Click on delete channel. Deleting your YouTube channel would not close your Google account. There are two options. I want to hide my channel and second is I want to permanently delete my content. We will do take on both and will delete my content. Click on delete my content. Type your email address here. After typing email address, click on delete my content. Here you can see downside updating. Your content is being deleted. Remove YouTube content. As our content is already deleted, now you will open YouTube again to check that our channel is already deleted or not. Here we click on logo and come to YouTube Studio. You can see there is no channel again here. And they say that if you want to create a new channel, enter the name and handle name and click on create channel. So this was the whole method. You can follow this way and delete your previous YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.